Ha! So this is the Honda, the 20 horsepower that we just rebuilt. And we didn't overlook anything. We had the carburetor ultrasonic. We rebuilt it. We got a new fuel pump in here. We're going to do away with the automotive style fuel pump that the guy installed on the Toro Workmaster. We're going to just use the original factory pump. So I got an OEM pump in here from Japan. I got an oil fuel filter. I got to go to a temporary tank here. I got the battery from the Toro Workmaster sitting here. So this the fuel shut off that was on this didn't work. It was totally stuck, so I got a new fuel shut off on it. And as you can see now, it actually clicks. The old one wasn't even clicking. So you can hear the fuel shut off is opening and closing. So we got there's just the voltage rectifier regulator. We got it laying here. We got it all hooked up just like it would be hooked up in the machine. So then, this is what it looks like. So it's all rebuilt. New rings, all new seals and gaskets. So we're just going to touch this wire here for the solenoid, just like you would with the ignition switch. Well, I don't have any muffler on here, but that's what it sounds like. Oh, it lives. There's the oil filter. It actually makes a difference if you stick the muffler on it. Pretty cool. Watch if I stick this on. Look how quiet that muffler makes it. Big long canister muffler. Cool. Oh yeah? We're getting her tested up on the workbench. I think that would be smart to do with any engine when you rebuild it. So this is the throttle body that you pull the throttle on. Oh yeah, on the power. Now turn the fuel off, the shut-off off. That's what a fuel solenoid shut-off does. Just like it's supposed to. No backfire.